So MSN.com took a look at some jobs that have been around for centuries that even with today's rapidly changing world are still very important, I'm told.
Like what?
Well, architect. Hugely
It is on the
important.
list.
Some of the world's oldest architecture was built for religious purposes. Most early architecture was likely collaborative. Example, the Egyptian pyramids and Stonehenge. I said one of the only other places I would live would be Paris. And it's because of the architecture.
Yeah.
Incredible buildings.
Louvre.
Yeah.
The
Incredible buildings.
Eiffel Tower. And
That's one of the places I would think I would live. What's the next one?
Next one is an artist.
Just a regular old painter?
The oldest cave painting is 35,400 years old. It's located in Indonesia. And during the Renaissance, patrons commissioned artists for religious works. The salary of an artist depends entirely on who you ask and because of the subjective scope of art. But artists can make a killing based on how popular your work is. What about bakers, Neville?
Well, baking stretches as far back as ancient Egypt when people used a variety of wheat called emmer, also known as farro, to facilitate flour making. So once the process was complete, they'd use some type of oven, usually brick, to make the bread. Oh, there you go.
Okay. Bodyguarding. Interesting. Some of the oldest professions in the world are also some of the most dangerous. Bodyguards are used to safeguard individuals who might be targeted because of their status. The Praetorian Guard was comprised of Roman soldiers who were sworn to protect the emperor, whether he had clothes or not. BodyguardCareers.com lists the Japanese samurai, medieval knights, and the Swiss Guard as some of the most famous and recognizable classes of bodyguards.
Yeah, it's like, what you call Trump people them?
Which ones?
No, the people them will look after the president them and stuff. What you call them?
Oh, the Secret Service?
Secret
Yeah.
Service. You know, it's thousands and thousands of them. Do you know when the president of the United States is traveling, they go before him, like they close down the airport before he gets there. They take his own car ahead of him. Him don't drive in anybody's car.
Not just one, maybe two.
Yeah.
Beasts, because you can't know which one he's in.
And anywhere I'm going, I remember we were going to Costa Rica one time and them closed the airport because them said Bill Clinton.
Do you remember when the president was coming here?
Yeah.
When Barack Obama was coming here?
Lock down the place.
Yeah.
Lock down the place.
That was something else.
Yep.
He should come back. You should come back,
Yeah.
Sir Obama.
Yeah.
We'd like to have you.
I hear
We
him
didn't have you on the show.
He's the first I hear him, so kind of raucous wasn't the word.
No,
He wasn't
pointed.
raucous. Yeah, him give
Stinging.
the Sir Donald a hard time. I first see him
Yes.
look after Sir Donald. Clothier or tailor?
Yes.
Tailoring as an occupation goes back to the early Middle Ages, a time when tailor guilds were established in major European towns. Henry I designated the tailors of Oxford as the official tailors of royalty, and dressing them was serious business. Only nobility could afford the bright, regal dyes were used to see and conveyed in paintings, and the finest clothing materials, such as velvet and silk, were imported. Furthermore, only royalty could wear those.
I rate tailors very highly because you have suit, I have suit. I mean, a suit really sometimes does make a man. You know what I mean? So you have some
Do
people
you know
who can
that
put clothes
I don't
together,
need to even look at anything. I can tell if my clothes fit me by how it feels, and I'm very serious.
What?
I'm serious.
What do you mean how it feels?
Like if I'm trying on a pants, I do it with Carlton all the while. I'm trying on a pants, and I kind of just go so, and I'm say, yeah man, and him say, Bridget, but I said, this fit. It just feel right. I mean,
But you put it on.
Yeah, but I have to look at it still. But from I start pull it up, I just know say it's me this. And
But
I
you
put
still
it on.
put it on.
Yes.
It's not really how it feels, it's how it fit.
No, because it can fit properly and just not feel right. I buy a pants one time and everybody at the store said, no sir, you that and perfect. And it just never feel right. I said, I don't want it. I
Did
never
it feel like a
right.
tights?
Yeah, come my clothes, I will feel like a
Yeah, me
tights.
try with it. If you see your pants and I get tight,
Yeah,
and I
man,
wonder
we don't
what
mind.
go on.
I spoke at the judge's orientation. Right after them, I tell people how the pants them too tight and the hairstyles. And then here comes Neville Curtis in her tightest pants in the world.
Was your head bald at the time?
They wasn't too impressed.
By the way, you
your
notice
pants are tight.
everybody notices his hair has grown back.
Yeah.
Screechy quietly around the ball head, you know.
No.
But it's all right.
No, I love the ball head. I might just take a step.
Lies.
But Rasta don't step back, take a step forward. Engineer. Humans have long No, it's yours. It's your time for that.
Okay, humans. They've long interacted with their environments by means of engineering, and pulleys and levers and wheels are ancient inventions. The real advent for human engineering began during the Industrial Revolution, which took place during the 18th and 19th centuries. The steam engine played a pivotal role in developing those societies, contributing to improved systems of transportation and production, and here we are today.
All right, we almost have to go to news. So we have storyteller, farmer, musician, and sex worker. Prostitution might not.
Why did you go to the last one?
Because we have no more time. It's
But we have
7:29.
I thought we have two. Oh, there are 2 minutes on the clock. All right, go on.
7:29.
I was just curious. Okay.
Prostitution might not be exactly the world's oldest profession. Why that come up when I'm talking about storytelling?
Okay.
All right then.
I'm confused. Going back to storyteller. Follow the order. Before the written language, humans needed to use oral history to communicate. Ancient peoples
Where
would
we reach
use...
farming now, by the way?